Ka jing thap vote banjit yu nong thau ain cha ka yeng dorbar thau ain ka jilla ha ka election Shiteng Samoi na Mawphlang Constituency bat ki artli ki weipat ki constituency kata ka Maurung Keneng Constituency bat ka Rajabala Constituency kalakut no ha ka ne ka janmit jong ka live ho tarik ubanai risau. Ha Mawphlang Constituency laingut ki Kyrtong ki ba aireng ki ba kentup yu ba Kennedy Kriam na ka seng Congress uba Lamprang Bla na ka seng NPP bat uba Eugeneson Lingdo na ka seng UDP ki balapan pau la ki jingsngo ki jongki ban job bat bandra ya ka Thong jing job ha ka ne ka election Shiteng Samoi wat la menta ka sngi kala long tang ka jing thap bot bat ka jing nyowi ki bot kan long ka ar tarik unai wing sngi hat majai bat ka rai rang ba ki pai ba kan sapa wa kate kasngi yano ki ibet bantenrong ya ka shuki kumu MLA jongki bantre ki khatsan ne khan ribnai ki balangsa hadin ka jingklat u MLA u ba sentar kelas sun kane ka jingkop kite ki Kyrtong kalalong hadin balapau bagi paiba naga Mawphlang Constituency kila poirenti hadu komba prapo persen shaki polling station banjit yu nong thau ain basipor jongki ha ka juga por ki bor district banaga tanat ka kwai ka khia kila pentikna banjada ya ka jingye bet no khlam covid khat khandai kila pelong ya ka jing perking kat kom ki kendon ka te ka jingpang khlam daga ba penyang paji ya ki nong wan thebot bat ban examine ru ya ka kwai ka khia ka jongki
jingkon kadai bat ka UDP kai ka bangaya chrom chene ngai ba jingkon jonga kadai bat ka UDP kamdai bat ka NPP hoi kadai tamba misgovernance jong ni government de ka wei wa penlong yang apa kan suthu ba ngan job hai bang ka klan ka UDP nang ta sa ka wei ka long ba ka UDP ka dei ka lon lupa ka bud bang jong ba Elekshon all over the place kladon kat ba ka NPP ba bla ki bon ki constituency ki bailong MDC mi ki mende ki ma apa ka Mawphlang hoi kala bandai kum ta ka tu ke ngut ke sunla bat not baro mendai baro nomor ba kini kadai ke bangilek dorbar sawan yang mendai bangilek football field jadi pada bat ki somla habakut ki sgo ba ki jet u somla na kam ta ke sport bat ki we ndai kum nong mi khamat ki haban perkhat bunsen nomor ban mi khamat ya constituency u pada kam don kam ke qualification kum sport player.
It's like I said in my last meeting, over the 27 days that I have gone campaigning, I found that a collective feeling that all the people in my constituency have got hope, have got faith, and have got love for the constituency. Obviously, it's a tough task. They are obviously experienced when it comes to politics. It's just my first time. Irrespective of that, there's always a start for everyone. So I'm just looking forward to this journey. Obviously it's sad, but he's done a great job in the constituency, and I just feel honored to be following in his footsteps and trying to do as much as I can to fulfill whatever dreams he has.
Oh ya, matakan hari ini ketika politician ke bawah nanga tap yang buat dulu, buat apa yang tap, dia kan dibuat tu, dong tap ni kau mah, di langit bang nika cita buat matakan dong bayar bet jadi, pada keren bah, kaji kebun tasi kalau bajob berkantam lagi, bayi wujud, bayi juga Mawphlang Constituency, kinai kaji kerjaan jangan hari penting, kalau ki tapi yang buat jongki hak sebel kerja mamu sebel juga kot.